sky is bruised in shades of gray. The sun has turned its face away. A hollow wind begins to croon through empty streets of brick and stone. The garden gate is swinging wide, with nowhere left for us to hide. The letters wait beside the door for feet that won't walk here no more. And the rain falls down like heavy tears to wash away the wasted years. A salt-stained map of where we've been, in a war that has no heart within. We're crying for the morning light, lost inside this endless night. How many songs must silence keep while the weary mother softly weeps? The cradle's still, the hearth is cold, a story that was never told. The photograph is cracked and torn of a face that's weathered, tired and worn. We traded hope for walls of lead and count the names of all the dead. The echo of a distant gun has stolen every mother's son. And the rain falls down like heavy tears to wash away the wasted years. A salt-stained map of where we've been, in a war that has no heart within. We're crying for the morning light, lost inside this endless night. How many songs must silence keep while the weary mother softly weeps? Is there a prayer that reaches far beyond the smoke and blackened star? Is there a sea to hold the grief, to bring the broken some relief? Our eyes are dry, our throats are sore, we cannot find the strength for more.